Good morning, friends. Hope you are doing well. Today we will discuss regarding NFT things. What are NFT? NFT, in one word, it's non-fungible token. That is the token thing which can be differentiated from a currency. Means what are the basic difference of NFT and basic difference of Bitcoin? That you can never differentiate one single bitcoin from another bitcoin. Means they are characteristically both are alike. You cannot differentiate. But in NFT, well, I am showing it. What are the difference? Here is the NFT of my wax wallet. I am showing some difference. Means these are all NFTs. Okay, I got these by playing or by collecting some or I have earned, I have traded from market. This way I have got this number of NFTs. Suppose I got this male human NFT. Okay, this is one, and I have got another. Yeah, here. But you can see both NFTs may look like same, but they are not exactly same. In which way they are different? They are different in their IDs. Look, face world 20770. This is the ID of this NFT, and look, 112449 is the ID of this NFT. I have got gray pacemaker three times. One, two, three. But all three are different from another. So this is 46867. This is 49927, and this one is 6263663. So all are different collection. Even you can see this is the 85124 of series. This is 89138 series. This is 89138 series. These are the difference between one NFT from another. And why these are so popular? Well, I am going to tell you briefly, and in next episodes, coming episodes, I will explain in more and more. Well, now I am going back to Alan World. Here I showed you that this is the mining game. It is actually virtual mining. We are not mining exact anything, but after virtually mining something, we are getting some coin, that is Trillium, and the Trillium is tradable. I'm showing you where we can trade Trillium as well. Actually, I wish to share lots of things, but I don't. I can't share all the things in one episode though, so I'm getting puzzled. That's which thing to show and which thing not to show here right now. But let's see how I can manage this episode. I haven't planned yet that which thing I will show, but I have few things planned. So that is the way I am going to make it done. Well, we have mined something. Now this is the time to claiming our Trillium, that is TLM coin. It is claiming. You can see within a jiffy. You can see that I have got few Trillium. Then I will show where to trade. Yeah, congrats, you have received 3.3609 Trillium. Your effort. Now you can see that I got 677.84 677.84 trillion. Well, this is the trillium I got, and apart from this, I got a few more trilliums. I traded, I staked, and I have done lots of things with that. But right now, I'm going to show you where I can sell our trillium, and with the trillium, we can get wax, and with wax, we can buy NFTs. This is the scenario. you can see that my current wax balance is very low, is 50.60 wax, but keep that in mind that wax value is improving. Yesterday I have seen that this value were only $8, 50.60 wax, but right now I am seeing that it's $14.43. Well, now going to Alcor exchange. Look, wax.alcor.exchange. I have to connect my wallet, wax cloud wallet. I am going to connect it. All you have to have a wax cloud wallet, that's all. It's very easy. You can make it with your Facebook ID even, or you may with your Google or anything. You can do, you can create your wax cloud wallet. This is the wax cloud wallet. Well, I have connected, and all you can see that I have got this number of token. I am going to make you understand that what are these token. This is Trillium. I have mined from alien worlds. You can see that this is the amount I got, 677.4892. I am showing it, 677.4892. This is as I connected, and here you can see, oh, this is, well, just a second, I'm just refreshing it, then you can see that it will be 677.4892. As it was not refreshed, it was showing previous data. Within a second you can see it. Yes, look, 677.4892. This is the Trillium I got, and here you can see this is the Trillium I got. So as it is connected, now this is the Neri token, NER token, from Token World I got, as I staked some Trillium in this planet, and as I staked some Trillium in Kava, so I got this amount of balance. This is only written transfer, but I am not sure that what to do with this. I got NFT Wizards dust token, few 22 numbers of dust token. Those are not very high valued right now, but it's fine, no problem. And you know that wax is the best token of wax cloud wallet. I got 50.60. Now I'm going to show you how to trade. I'm clicking here, trade Trillium. I'm going to do some live trading. Oh, it's bit lower valued, but what to do? As I wish to show you live trading, 100%, 677. Now let's see, make any. I'm going to sell those. I will get, if it is got sold, I will get 15.65 wax. Okay, so I already had 50 wax, so it will be 65 is 6 wax, because I have 50.60, and if I in sold right now, then I will get a bit 15 wax more. Yeah, I already have 50.60. Here I will get 15.65 wax more. I wish to, where is my order? They are showing sold. check what has happened. As I refresh this, I have to connect one. So I'm doing this. Order been placed. Hold yet. NFT, that is basically NFT from Alcor wallet. So right now, and look, there is no Trillium as I set my order. Check. There is my order. There is order. Look, 0.241. I have put it. This is the order for selling. So this is, you can see that ask is written. Now if I put, I wish to put it 0.25 because I am not in hurry to sell it, but I am sure that it will be, market will go up. I will get more price. I am cancelling the sell order. Now I will see that all the Trillium here, that order can, yes, all the Trillium here 100% going to 5. That's all. How much I will get? The less. Let's see. Place this order right now. You can allow. As I placed the order a few seconds ago, allowing me right now. Here I can see last 20 last token. That last token at least trade. What is the price? 0.01. Nothing to get, but just to show you how to sell the tokens in Alcor. That's my point to show. I'm saying it. Placed order. Whatever. Hopefully will be sold next episode. But the thing is that I got several ways of earning NFTs. I wish to share all those way. And one thing that just I am going to show you. This is one game of football, and they are providing collectibles or NFT to play football and earn NFTs. So this is the thing I wish to show you, but today it's the video is already lengthy, so I am not going to show anything more right now. Hopefully, we will do our next episode very soon, and then I can share something with you. So, and I have a lots of things to share regarding NFTs, how to create NFT on wax, how to sell this. I will share all those things with you in right now. I'm signing off. Enjoy your days, enjoy the weekend. Bye bye.